We all love the outdoors, beautiful beaches, and most of all, having fun. That is why we created Shadeeco, a shade tent, a hammock, and a backpack all in one. But first, we have a story to tell. It all started with this guy. Michael loves outdoors, beaches, and camping. He noticed that something was wrong with the tents and shades in the market. Either they are too bulky and hard to carry, or they do not provide enough shade. He asked himself, can there be a shade tent that is strong, reliable, lightweight, easy to carry, and can make life wonderful? So he contacted his best friend Pablo, an outdoor enthusiast. He told him the idea, and Pablo said,
"Hell yeah."
After getting the best tech designers on board and with countless nights sweating over different ideas, they created Shadeeco. Shadeeco is a shade tent, a hammock, a blanket, and a travel bag all in one. It is super easy to set up and can be done by one person. It has adjustable poles that can let you increase or decrease the height of your shade. Unlike most tents in the market, you can adjust your Shadeeco and make it follow the sun. It has the best UV protection, so under Shadeeco, you're safe like you're at home. It also has a really well-made comfortable blanket to relax, eat, or just lie down. Shadeeco comes with the most sturdy anchors that can be used in the ground or sand, so you can enjoy it from the beach to the mountain and everywhere in between. Your tent and blanket can also become super comfy double hammocks. Simply use the straps to tie it to anything, and voila! You have awesome hammocks to enjoy. The most beautiful part is that all this can fit into a Shadeeco travel backpack. It is designed thoughtfully, with your journey in mind. It not only carries your shade, blanket, poles, and straps, but will also have enough room to store anything you might need for your trip. It is water resistant and ready for any climate. When you have Shadeeco, every trip becomes a bit more exciting. Shadeeco, light, thoughtful, and totally lit.